Coronavirus vaccine. India's second COVID-19 vaccine produced by Zydus Cadila cleared for human trials. In some positive development, Indian pharmaceutical company Zydus Cadila received the green signal from the Drug Controller General of India (DGCI), simply we call Drug Controller General of India, to start phase 1 and phase 2 of their clinical trials on human participants. With over 10 million cases reported globally, over 110 independent scientific bodies are in contention to find a potential COVID-19 vaccine. Over 7 vaccines are being researched in India, and just this week, 2 candidate groups have been given the go-ahead to start human clinical trials for their prototypes. A report mentioned that Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila saw satisfactory results in the pre-clinical trials and various animal studies, post which the regulatory board issued them the go-ahead to start the trials. The vaccine approval process was accelerated after recommendation by the Subject Expert Committee on COVID-19. The company has submitted data to DCGI drug controller authorities based on animal trial they conducted. Animals like mice, rabbits, guinea pigs, rats were used, and these animals developed antibodies against the virus. Mentions on agency report. Interestingly, pharmaceutical giant Cadila Healthcare has been in the news for ramping up its research on not one but 2 coronavirus vaccine candidates, as well as the production of hydroxychloroquine or HCQ drug to fight COVID-19. A research program for developing a steady vaccine has been done in collaboration with the multiple teams across India and Europe. One of the prime vaccine candidates deals with the development of a DNA vaccine against the coronavirus vaccine membrane protein, which would subsequently work by encouraging a strong immune response and root away viral cells. The other vaccine candidate makes use of a live measles virus strain against COVID-19 to spruce up the production of antibodies and provides protection. The news comes after it has been said that the efficacy studies from phase 1 and phase 2 of the Covaxin trials will be available by August 15, they are saying. But the vaccine is being modeled with an inactive version of the deadly SARS-CoV-2 virus and has been showing promising and safe results so far. In India, these are the only 2 vaccine prototypes which have been approved for the testing phase so far. Thank you.